Hey y'all, it's Ann from What's Up Family Home, and today I have another collab for you. And this one is with Tiffany at Smalltown Six. And this is going to be a monthly clean, declutter, and organize. So today I am cleaning up my living room. It is terrible. Look over there, I've got like oils and things like that on there, like motor oil and a sun drop can and all kinds of stuff that just collects things. In the fall, I took down some stuff out of my bookcases and put them in a big container, and I have got to put that stuff back in there. And I still have fall stuff sitting over there that I have not done anything with. So I'm going to clean my bookcases out, and I'm going to put everything back, and then I'll have a large tub to put all my fall stuff in, and I can put that in the garage. So this is the first collab of the monthly collab. We're decluttering and organizing. So that's what I'm going to do today in this living room. I'm going to hurry up and get it done because we have been snowed in for a couple days. So I'm going to hurry up and get this done.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away. can take you.
Look at this, y'all. You go to declutter, and does this happen to you? You have more stuff to clean when you declutter because you got to get everything out and go through it and look through it and see if you need it or want it. I've got all this stuff here. I think will go in the kitchen, so I'm going to put this up for right now. I've got all those things over there that needs to go probably on that tiered tray or in the kitchen as well. Don't know where I'm going to put it yet, so I'm just going to put this all somewhere until I can find time to figure it out and make my tiered tray. That'll be in another video, but I've got all that stuff up here that either goes in the kitchen or on my tiered tray in the bedroom that I haven't got out yet. I had to get a tub. I needed another tub because I found more fall stuff that I've got to have a tub for, and it was nasty, and I had to go through this stuff anyway, so I'm going to try and figure out what I'm going to do with all of it because it's still good. I've got Febreze in there and vinegar, some Mrs. Meyer's stuff, some furniture polish, crud cutter, and it's very expensive, and I didn't know I had a full bottle, so I can't wait to use that. I've got some insecticidal soap for the garden. I've got a couple things of glass cleaner that I got at Sam's, and it works really good. Spray bottle that's empty, some Clorox wipes. So I'm going to keep all this. Some Brillo pads, so I've just got to find a place to put it. So that's my other dilemma. And I found these suction cups in here. Those are good for, somebody said, for putting in your shower and hanging like your razors and things on there. So I was like, I bought these for that, and I forgot where they were, and they were in the fall stuff. And I found these little houses in the fall stuff too. I might just put those in my tiered tray. That's just a basket I keep in the cabinet first. A basket I keep over here like for their toys and stuff, because I don't even put stuff. If you're wondering why I don't put stuff in the bottom too, because that's when the kids will tear all that stuff out. So I'm basically just put some toys in there, but I guarantee you they'll be on this shelf too. Well, Jonah will anyway, so. And I figure in January, I'm gonna just keep this buffalo check going, so I'm gonna keep that and put that somewhere. I've already got a rug outside and some other stuff, so I'm gonna keep this until it turns spring, and then I'll change my decor. But right now I'm just gonna keep that. So I'm gonna put this stuff back, and I've already got more stuff on this table.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you wanted me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you wanted me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
out of breath. But I've got as much done as I can do. I've got to put this stuff in the kitchen, so if I find another tub, I'll put that stuff in there, but that will probably, most of it, go on my tiered tray, and that will be for another video. But then I spilled some dirt and water over there on my plant. It was so dry. Probably since Christmas I haven't done anything to that, so I am out of breath. But I am done with the living room swept. I'm out of breath, so I gotta rest. So I want to thank Tiffany again for hosting, and I can't wait to do the next one because I am always in need of decluttering and cleaning. I'm so happy you guys joined me, and be sure to like and subscribe to Tiffany's channel and watch the playlist so you'll see all the other videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.